Welcome, friends. Once in a while, it is great to bake some cookies for tea time with family. Freshly baked Belgian chocolate chip cookies have been the best choice for our family. Thanks to brown butter bakes that makes my life easy. Why we love this cookie very much? Because it is very easy to bake the cookies. All you need are the 3 ingredients. An A-grade egg, 115 grams butter, 1 pack Premix Belgian chocolate chip cookies by Brown Butter Bakes. Yes, that's all you need. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for your support.